What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have another Madam Glam collection that I'm going to be sharing with you today. This collection was actually launched before January, I'm assuming because of New Year's and all that stuff, but February is actually going to be coming out earlier as well. So I think Madam Glam is trying something new with their collection launches. So I just need to figure out like what's going to be the best posting for the new launches. You guys are actually going to be seeing the new February collection pretty soon after I just show you this January collection. I know it's going to be super quick, but for now we're going to talk about the new January collection, which is called Confetti Dreams. So it has been out for quite some time now, but I'm going to show you what colors came in this collection, and then we're going to do a nail set. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I figured we're going to play with some foils today. It's been a while since I've played with any kind of foil, and the advent calendar actually came with a foil gel that I've never tried, so I'm gonna try that today. So before we get started, I do want to say that if you're interested in this collection, I will put it in the description box below, as well as my coupon code, which will get you 40% off your Madam Glam purchase if you are interested. So let's go ahead and check out the Confetti Dreams collection. Okay, so this month, like I said, the collection is called Confetti Dream, and this is what the colors look like. Do you remember the last time, actually the first time that they came out with a collection that was made in Korea? I mentioned that I wasn't a huge fan of like the bottles because it came in a smaller size, and I said like hopefully it doesn't stay this way. Honestly, it's weird. When I saw that these were, because I had no idea what to expect with this collection, but when I saw that these were in the same bottles, which meant that they were also from Korea, I was honestly excited again. Like, I don't even care that the bottles were smaller anymore. Like, I love that the names are on the bottles. I don't know, I was just really excited when I saw that they did another collection from Korea, but I did notice a difference with this one. Let me show you the colors first. We have Purplicious, Midnight Kiss, New Me, Make-A-Wish, Urban Green, Ice Queen, Tears, and then lastly we have Glam Resolution. And yes, spoiler alert, the gels on my fingers are from this collection. As you saw, there were 6 creams and 2 glitter formulas. So let me go ahead and show you what those look like. Okay, so here are all 8 of the colors. I think they're very pretty, very muted colors. Still perfect for the winter time, still very dark, kind of edging into the brighter colors. And then of course we have the glitters here, which are so beautiful. This is like such a perfect New Year's color. And this is kind of like an orange, iridescent, like the blue hue. Super pretty. But yeah, as I said, I did use these on my nails already, and then I just used the top coat that came in the advent calendar. But yeah, so like I said, I want to use a foil today, and I kind of want to use animal print. I haven't used an animal print anything or done any animal print nails, so I kind of want to use this, and I'm thinking like this glitter would look amazing in conjunction with this foil, as well as this color here, which is Midnight Kiss, and then maybe even to bring in the lightness, kind of like from here, use the color New Me. So we'll see how we can like make all these work together. So let me go ahead and grab everything and get set up. Actually, so I decided I'm just gonna stick with these 2 colors for now. I'm just gonna keep it simple, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the middle finger with New Me, and I'm gonna do this entire nail with the foil. I just want to have this as a background. So here's the foil gel that came in the advent calendar this past December. It also came in the advent calendar from 2022, so I do have an extra bottle. It says it must be cured for 1 minute. So I'm gonna add this directly on top. And the thing is, with foils, it can be tricky. It could be either the glue that you're using or the actual foil that could determine how good of a transfer you're gonna get. So if you struggle with foils, it's gonna be kind of like a trial and error kind of thing. Every foil glue that I've seen has different types of instructions, different curing times. I've heard different things, like you should add the foil directly after it comes out of the lamp, you should wait. It could be the foil itself. Foils can definitely be tricky. It can be frustrating, but when it works, it's super cool. So I'm just gonna get one of these to help me smooth it over. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna cut a piece of this off, enough to fit over the nail. And I don't remember where I got this foil, to be honest, but I'm sure you can find it on Amazon or something. I'm gonna place it right on top of the nail. I do like to go in with my finger as much as possible. I feel like it just is faster, and then I'll go in with that silicone tool. So this is a part where you really have to be patient and just work it in. So you'll just continue to work it in, smooth it over. And I can already see like foil's already transferring, so that's good. It's very difficult to do when it's on a nail stand also. You can see like along the edges it's not transferring very well, so depending on how picky you want to be, you can just keep going back. So it took me a couple of minutes, but this is what I have. I'm not too concerned with it being too perfect. There's always ways to kind of like hide the imperfections. I think what I want to do is I want to paint the others with the same base. I'm actually going to do the thumb for like TikTok, so I'm not going to do that one on camera. So I only really need one coat of this. As I mentioned earlier, there was a difference that I noticed between the first collection that was made in Korea and this one here. I find that these ones are actually a lot thicker in formula compared to the first collection that was made in Korea. As you can see, it's pretty opaque. Like, I don't need 2 coats. So I'm not gonna do 2 coats, even for this light color. Okay, so here's what I have, and I think I'm gonna use this nail here. So I'm gonna do the foil like on half a nail diagonally. So I'm only gonna add the foil glue to where I want it. It's hard because I can't see where it is, so I'm just gonna have to trust that. Okay, cure this for 60 seconds. I'm gonna cut off another small piece. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply the foil to an estimate of where I put the glue. And then just work that in. So far, I really like the glue. I'm not having any issues with transferring, so the foil is pretty good and the glue itself is pretty good. It's really hard to do this with gloves also. I think the heat from your fingers might help too. I'm wondering if I should have mattified the nail first, because I don't think it's just a clean line. Let me try this one again. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the matte top coat first. I'm gonna mattify the whole nail so that way it doesn't stick on the parts that I don't want it to, and it'll be easier to see where I put the glue. This is just their velvet matte top coat. Let's try this again. So I'm going to add it just to a corner. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's easier to see where the foil glue is now, so fingers crossed that helped. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm actually thinking of leaving these two plain. So what I'm gonna do with Make-A-Wish, which is the glitter, is I'm gonna use that to line the edges of the foil. So I'm just gonna use this to do like a border for foil. I have to do a couple of coats of this because it is like a sheer black base that it's in. I'm going to take it around the edges also. I'm also going to outline just the edges of this nail. I kind of want to see how they look mattified. So I'm going to take the velvet matte top coat. And that actually looks really cool. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to mattify this nail also. I'm just gonna matte top coat these two and keep it plain. We're gonna keep it simple. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one off camera for TikTok. I will make sure to link it down below if you're interested, but it's pretty much gonna be the same as this one here, so I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so here are the final nails. Like I said, I went ahead and just did this one for my TikTok, so if you want to see it, even though you did see this one, you can go to my TikTok. I always link it below. But I love how simple this was. And I really do think that the foil gel was really good. I didn't have any trouble with transferring, so that was really nice. I'm really happy with this. I think it's very simple, very classy, with a hint of the glitter. So yeah, I will make sure to link the new collection below. Stay tuned for February's collection. Like I said, that's gonna be coming pretty quickly. So thank you so much again, Madam Glam, for sending me your new collection. And thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. I will catch you next time. Bye.